Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. Today, find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the hourly time frame for IOTA, the price went up with around 5.2%. But then came quickly down again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 32.6 cents. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price only dipped below the 50 SMA to the downside, but then came up again, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The price only dropped below the 50 SMA downwards, but quickly recovered, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 32.1 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 32.7 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 52. So there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, there was a bearish divergence and the price already went down. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, could hold support, or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 32.4 cents. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 60, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could remain stable, or the price will dip below it with the current price of around 31.9 cents. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 55, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking at the daily stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.